In the wake of a controversy over the use of loudspeakers at religious places, authorities of 5 mosques in Pune and some other senior Muslim community members have decided to shun DJ music during the upcoming Eid celebration and utilize funds collected for it to help the poor and needy people. They also appeal to youth from the community to not play loud DJ music during the Eid al-Fitr celebration on May 2nd. The Imam of the Bharatiya Anjuman Khadriya Mosque in Lohiya Nagar area in Maharashtra said, "We formed a core committee of 5 mosques in the area and convened a meeting of their imams and functionaries along with other senior members of the community and decided not to have DJ music during the Eid celebration."